Okay, everybody, we're here at Rice Ranch. Where are
Howdy.
you?
Come
Hi.
on down.
Okay, dear viewers, you know that you never know what you're going to run into on my channel, and I never know what I'm going to run into when I'm out and about, and especially in Ehrenberg. And we're here, it's like the sun is barely up, so you have to forgive us morning faces and everything. And she looks adorable, but this is Kim. Say hi, Kim.
Hi.
And Kim, what is the name of your video channel?
Rometown Girl.
Rometown Girl, and you'll see her in some comments on our channel and on my channel. But here's the thing, you just never know who you're gonna meet. So you guys know that Robert used to do the editing for Bob Wells on his channel, cheaprvliving.com, and he did the editing for what? Well, from day one of Bob's channel,
almost 2 years.
And for 2 years after Bob and Jamie split, Robert did all the videos, and we've never known who took over that job when Robert went full-time with Meander, and it's Kim! And we meet at the Ehrenberg Mini Mall laundromat.
And I told this man I have to give him the biggest hug because I love my life. And part of why I love my life is because I have this awesome digital nomad job.
There you go.
It's because this man moved on to bigger and better things and opened up this space for me.
I
Isn't
almost
this?
feel like I know Kim because I edited a couple videos you do with Bob way back. So.
That's so fun. I know we meet people and Bob's like, oh yeah, I know you. I edited your video on Bob's channel. So there you go. So now that's going to be happening to you, Kim. Anyway, this is awesome. Thank you so much.
Watch these guys. They're awesome.
Okay, so you made that hat?
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me the process again.
It's crow knit, and it about drove me crazy trying to figure out how to knit and crochet at the same time.
Well, it is fabulous. Thank you for letting us share it.
Thank you. You guys have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye. So Sandy and I are headed over to the restaurants to make sure that they're going to be ready for 30 people when we show up. So Robert reminded me to take a picture of the schedule.
It's a traveling party.
Yeah, so I'll remember what restaurant, when we're going to what. You guys are like the uber tenacious, gonna get this done.
We're getting it done.
You're getting her done.
If I have to rub my fingers together and get a spark.